very warm good morning to one and all present here. This is Shambhavi Singh and today I am going to explain the activity on how to use a clinometer. So, if I ask you, can you measure the height of any building or any tower without measuring it? Yes, it is possible with the help of clinometer. And does anyone know here what is clinometer? Yes, ma'am.
Clinometer is an instrument that is used to find the angle of elevation or angle of depression in order to find the height of a building or a tower.
Yes. As she told that a clinometer is an instrument that is used to find the angle of elevation or the angle of depression of any object in order to find the height and distances. So, what is angle of elevation? The angle of elevation is the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight of any object below the horizontal line. Now, what is angle of depression? The angle of depression is the angle between line of sight and horizontal line, and the angle will be below the horizontal line. Now, the methods required to perform this activity are a semicircle, a rectangular piece of cardboard, a building, a thread and a small bit. Now let's start our activity. At first we have to find the measurement of this tower and this clinometer. And with the help of the scale, I measured the distance between this and this is 40 centimeter. And now we have to look to that flag with the help of this straw. And the angle that is made here is 30 degrees. So now we have to find the height of that flag from the ground. Now this PQ is the height of this tower, which is 18 centimeter. This PP and QS is the distance between this clinometer and this tower. And we have to find the height of this flag from the ground, which is x. Here, if we use the value of tan theta, which is p by b, then here the perpendicular is r and t, and the base is p and t. Now, tan 30 degrees is equal to x upon 40 degree, and with the calculation we can find the value of x, which is 69.28 centimeter. Now, we have to find the height of this flag from the ground. So, we have to find this x plus 18 centimeter. The value of x we find, and we have to add 18 centimeter on it, which is 87.28 centimeter. This is all about the activity on how you can use a clinometer to find the measurement of any building or any tower. That's all. Thank you.